I will have some observations about this after I just give you the salient features of this estimate. So, the quarterly estimates of GDP at current prices show that the fourth quarter growth is at 12.5%, and this is much higher than the growth which was seen in the third quarter of 10.4%. Similarly, 11.3% in GVA, which is again higher than the third quarter growth in current prices of 9.4%. However, in constant prices, the growth rate in GDP is 6.1% and in GVA is 5.6%. Now, I think it's important for me to highlight certain characteristics of this release and the manner in which this has been compiled, because some of you prior to this release had been asking me these questions. So let me make those observations first, and I can give you more material as you in response to your questions. First of all, I think it's important to note that while we have incorporated IIP and WPI, their effect on the GDP is mediated through the manner in which these two indices are used in GDP compilation. IIP is used in GDP compilation in principally two major ways. Insofar as the annual estimates are concerned, IIP provides, first of all, a direct estimate of growth. Analysis of policies like demonetization cannot be done through simple, what is in technical jargon, economists sometimes use the full argument, post hoc, ergo propter hoc type of reasoning, that because it is after this, therefore it is because of this. A policy impacts society through a variety of channels and through a variety of processes, and impact analysis of policy, in fact, is an extremely sophisticated field in econometrics. So I would caution against reading a single number which comes out after an event as being reflective of the consequences of the event.
सर माफ़ कीजिएगा, मैं वही सवाल दोबारा आपसे पूछा हूँ, क्योंकि फोर्थ क्वार्टर का जो मैं नंबर देख रहा हूँ उसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा गिरावट है. कहाँ 8.7 था, वो 5.6 पे है, और थर्ड क्वार्टर में भी. तो हम इसे क्यों न नोटबंदी से जोड़ करके देखें?
मैंने इसके लिए आपको इसलिए जब मैंने ओरिजिनल स्टेटमेंट अपना मेक करा था, बोला था कि फोर्थ क्वार्टर के नंबर को इंटरप्रेट करते समय दो तीन बिंदुओं पर ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. सबसे पहले मैंने बिंदु WPI ग्रोथ का दिया था, और दूसरा बिंदु मैंने पिछले साल के क्वार्टरली ग्रोथ का दिया था. इन दोनों को मैंने इसलिए जिम्मेदार दी थी कि जो WPI ग्रोथ का फिनोमिनन है उसका रिलेशनशिप कई सारे फिनोमिनन से है, ना कि डिमोनेटाइजेशन से जुड़ा हुआ. तो एक हद तक तो कारण ये है. अब यदि इसको एक और तरह से देखें तो आप करंट क्वार्टर का ग्रोथ दूसरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी देख सकते हैं, क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर बेसिस पे भी देख सकते हैं, और करंट प्राइसेस पे भी देख सकते हैं. इन सारों को आप जोड़ के देखेंगे तो आपको ये लगेगा कि इकोनॉमी में अभी भी बहुत सारा डायनेमिज्म है. डिमोनेटाइजेशन का क्या इंपैक्ट हुआ, एक नंबर से जोड़ना और उसके साथ और कोई एनालिसिस नहीं करना मेरे लिए संभव नहीं है, क्योंकि मैं एनालिटिकल कंप्लीटनेस देखना चाहता हूं. सिंपल बिफोर एंड आफ्टर आर्गुमेंट्स में बिलीव नहीं करता. Yes, madam.
Sir, Nikita from Kujansis. So I'm trying to compare, you had in the second advance estimate released in February, the GDP growth, it was 7.1%, and even despite incorporating the new data, now it's 7.1. So is it fair to say that there has been no change, or is this 7.1 because of the statistical bump up, and without that, would it have been a downward revision in the number?
See, it's there are many elements which go into the annual estimate, and one of the reasons why our annual figure doesn't change very much is partly what has changed since the third quarter. Let's take a look at them. One is the new WPI and IIP series. Insofar as they are concerned, the effect is somewhat muted. Because as I told you then, and I tried to explain to people that the manner in which IIP enters into GDP compilation and the way WPI enters into GDP compilation, the effect is somewhat muted. But some effect is there, and it is visible in the quarterly pattern which is visible between what we released in February and what we are releasing now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.